Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we will learn how to convert a solid part into surface. If you are new on our channel, then please subscribe our channel so that you can receive notifications of our incoming tutorials. So first of all we will design a solid part, and for that I will go to front plane and sketch. Now I will choose arc and I will draw an arc. Again go to arc and now I will fillet its edges. I will select line now go to feature and extruded boss base. Now we will apply fillet on its edges. Still it is a solid part, and now we will convert it into a surface. Go to search command and write here delete. Select delete face, and now we will select the faces which we want to delete, and I will select this face and this face, and I will check delete from these options and then press OK. Now we have deleted the faces and it is converted into a surface. To check whether it is a surface or solid, we will select front plane, normal, and again go to front plane, sketch. Now I will draw another sketch on front plane. Now I will apply extruded cut, but it is not possible because the part we designed is a surface now. It is only working in case of solids. So let's move toward surfacing commands and check whether these are applicable on this part or not. So I will go to surfacing and I will select trim surface from these commands. Now we can check that this is applicable on this part. So I will choose this sketch and go to OK, and we apply trim surface command on this surface. If you are new on our channel, then please subscribe our channel so that you can receive notifications of our incoming tutorials. Thanks for watching.